Buns are running. Why are you smiling? He wants to. You want to go play? Warriors, come out to play. I don't know if they're gonna be able to do it, y'all, but we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. What's up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audiocat, man, here with another day, another video for y'all. First of all, I want to thank you guys for the views, thank you guys for the support, man, and thank you guys for the love y'all giving, man. Don't forget to share, like, and share the guy with your friends, man. We got Mr. Bonsai running my pops in the building. We got Audio Fox back there, and we are on a mission right now to go pick up my car to get my rear end. I was notified this morning that the part has been received at the dealership. And it's a busy morning for me, but this was very important for me, so I took off from the shop with the crew. We're gonna go pick up my vehicle and pick up my wife's car that also lost her tires. But we are on our way to go get this done. I'm gonna keep y'all posted, man. Hopefully we should be out by this afternoon and have her going out the road to see if that guy right there wants to go play, or even if that guy right there wants to go play. We're about to find out. Why are you smiling over there? Buns are running. Why are you smiling? He wants to. You want to go play? Warriors, come out to play. I don't know if they're gonna be able to do it, y'all, but we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. So I am about to awake the beast, and it's a scary thing in the morning. Listen to this, y'all. I guarantee my neighbors don't like it too much, but it is what it is, man. That's the Audiocat. Getting ready to take her right now to the shop to get the rear end installed. All right, crew. So I just finished picking up my baby from the house to go take her to go get my rear end installed, man. I'm gonna see if y'all can hear it on this video, so you can see the sound that it's making in the back. Hold on, pull up my window. Give me 1 second. All right, crew. So let me get on the road here. Let me get out of the high pitching motor noises for you. Y'all hear that, crew? Listen. Nothing. I put the gas on. Let's see if y'all can hear that. Watch. Y'all hear that whining noise there? Take off the gas. No noise. Y'all hear it? Let go of the gas. Gone. I'll put pressure in the rear end. But that's the problem with the car, guys. That's the rear end that's gone. It got a limited slip differential that has clutches inside. These rear ends are not rebuildable, so I have to go buy a brand new one. And they gave me a warranty and everything on it, so I'm gonna definitely go get it installed right now. My boy Adam at the Mobile One to get this installed and rolling, and hopefully have my car back by today, man. I hope they can pull it off in one day. You hear that, y'all? No noise. Watch this. No noise. Gas. Almost like a supercharger whine. But the whine in the front, that's the whine in the back. So the rear end is gone, y'all. Hopefully I get my baby back today, man. I really missed her this whole week. I haven't driven her since last Sunday. So hopefully I can get this car out on the road today. And just go have some fun with it today, man. Hopefully they come races tonight or whatever. Just go have some fun. I'm setting up the car for more dig racing lately. And we all know that racing costs money. And obviously it's beginning to cost me money. So, hold on. So I'm gonna keep on doing what I have to do to keep on building it, man. But it's all fun and games. Road racing we've done for a while. Mexico runs we've done. Now let's go to the digs, man. So stay tuned, man. If we go pick up these parts and get this car situated, and hopefully the Audiocat gets off the road today. Guys, so we're here right now dropping off the Audiocat. You can see she's right here behind me, man. She is all her setup with her drag setup. So let me see. We've been adjusting the car. So far, my favorite tires are the 315 5017 by Mickey Thompson's. I just bought a set of black wheels for the back so it can match the front. To get her going, but now we're having the problem with the rear end that's going out on it. So what I've done is that I've ordered a brand new rear end. It is here today. I'm gonna bring it to my boy here. Adam, say hi to the camera.
What's up?
You gotta say something more than that. Say what's up, YouTube.
Hey, what's up, YouTube?
You gotta get more from another mother, Boricua in the house, man. We are here with the car, dropping it off to the guy who hopefully, crossing my fingers,
we're gonna make it done.
Make it faster.
No, we're gonna.
He said by doing the rear end, I should get about maybe 7 seconds to quarter mile.
Yeah.
We're dropping it off to him, guys. I'm gonna go pick up the rear end right now to drop it off to him and let Adam do what he does best, man. So I'll be back shortly. We're gonna give it to him that'll do what it gotta do, okay?
It's gonna be ready maybe next week.
He's gonna choke himself if he think he can have my car.
We're gonna take our time, make sure both.
Well, they might as well go ahead and put the clutch in at the same time if they're gonna have it for a week.
not a week, 2 weeks.
I'll be back, y'all. Let me go pick up the rear end. Mobile One, bro. This is the guy right across the street from my shop, man. He does all the mechanic work you can think about. Wheels, he does tires, he does oil changes, inspections, light mechanical work, starters, radiators, air conditioning, man. Come and check him out. He's literally right across the street, look, from AUDIOZONE. So literally, if you find me, you could definitely find him, man. He's a great guy. He's always helped me out in these builds, man. And we appreciate him a lot. When you come in, let him know you're coming in from the Audiocat so he knows that you got the true supporters supporting where we go and what we do, y'all. So his name is Adam. Come and check him out, guys. He's really great people, very fair. Will do his thing right. Check him out. All right, guys, so this is where we're at right now. We are at the Clay Cooley dealership. Coming to see my boy Joe, man. He's the guy that got all my parts for my HELLCAT, which we are going to be doing right now with him, picking up this whole rear end for this guy, man. He's always been great to me, always taking care of me, man. Has always given me great deals and great prices. That's why I come and see him all the time. So check him out. Let me show you who he is. If you don't see him, you're paying too much, man. This is his card right here. His name is Jose Joe Moncada. He works here. That's the attic of Clay Cooley, 1261 East Airport Freeway, man. He always done good to me, man. So he's got my rear end here. I can't wait to get this in the car. Like I told you guys, the HELLCAT is a limited slip. This one has a 3-year, what was it, 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty? 3 years, 100,000 mile warranty. It wasn't a cheap part, but it's gonna be in the car, so we should have this rolling very shortly. He's got me hooked up here all with the axle fluid, so I have everything exactly that the car needs from Mopar. There's no excuses for it not to be right. And I tell you right now, truthfully, man, these guys took a long time designing this car, so I actually always believe in using original parts when it comes to anything on my car. I just always buy them original because it's just the way the car was designed. Aftermarket could be sometimes upgraded if you get performance parts, but I still go with the original, man. So this car can be hopefully done today. We'll grab this axle, grab this oil, take it down to the guys, have them install this, and let's see what happens today when the Audiocat hits the streets again. So I got everything I need here. I'm actually leaving here from Clay Cooley. I got my oil in my hand. I have, hold on, let me get this canceled here. I got the rear end about to load up on my car. It's a pretty heavy unit because it's a whole rear diff, but they told me to go to the back to get it loaded. So I'm going to drive back there right now to get this bad boy loaded and drop this off to Adam to begin the process of the rear end install on the Audiocat, which I am waiting for so badly. So I'm just gonna go to the back and get this. I'll be right back. Crew, we have victory. We have the drive shaft here. Take a look at brand new from the box Mopar over here, delivered by yours truly, Joe, over here at Clay Cooley, man. I can't even tell you how much happiness I have with this guy. He's always taking care of me 100%. This is in the box. We're gonna go drop this off and see if we can get the audios down, tearing up some booty out there in the track, man. Stay tuned so we get this installed. All right, crew, so we have just gotten here to the shop. We got him up in the building, trying to hide from the building. What you gotta say to YouTube today, Kareem?
How you doing, people? How are you?
Everybody good, everybody good. So they're beginning dismantling of the Audiocat. As you could tell, that's actually an axle we had put on the car last week. They're getting that done on the car because we actually broke an axle too. But this is the rear end, guys. So this is that piece that is actually failing on the inside. But this is the rear end of the car. This has to be removed and replaced because it's what's failing on this vehicle right now at this point in time. And get this out the door, so we'll see how this happens in a few minutes. We have the moment of truth, man. We have just ripped off the green stripe. We're about to open this bad boy. Open it up for me, Kareem. Like my brother right there, Kareem. He could be opening this bad boy up. And inside, ta-da! We have the brand new Mopar rear end for this bad boy. That looks bigger than the one that's in there right now, don't it? Man, that looks so much bigger than that one. It's crazy. It's the same thing. Well, that's it, guys. Kareem's gonna be rocking and rolling and getting this going. We should hopefully have this out in a few, guys. And let's get this going out the door for the Audiocat to be on the road, ripping some souls. All right, crew, so I'm coming to give you an update with my boy Kareem. He has broken my car. Yep. My car is broken. He's got the rear end out, as y'all can tell here. He has the axles already out. He can be doing a new one. I wonder if Kareem could do my clutch today.
Maybe.
Man, if you could do my clutch today, Kareem, I'll tell you right now, I would love you more than I've ever loved you before. That means I can go to Extreme tomorrow and go race.
Man, I try.
If you could do my clutch today.
It takes time, this one.
Man, I feel like leaving my job and coming to help you. Yeah. I really feel like coming to help you because I would love to get it done.
Maybe next hour will be done, this one.
You think you could do my clutch today? I'll go home and pick up my clutch.
Let me finish this one first.
Cool, awesome, man. Well, this is an update. Again, guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, man, I've been dealing with Kareem and Adam for, my God, well over 8 to 10 years, man. And the one thing that they've always been to me, they have always treated me right. They've always been good to me, man. I can always tell you that I don't give referrals to places because I don't like to refer my name to people. But man, I give these guys referrals hand down. They have always done good work. They got everything state of the art. They do good by their work, man. They're Arab guys, but they Puerto Rican Arabs. They're born in Puerto Rico like me. But they're really good guys, man. I can't even tell you, I'm proud that God has blessed me with this opportunity of this friendship that we've had. I've been able to get this done. These guys have been excellent by me. And that's all I can tell you if we get this update going on, man. But I'm really, really proud of what they're doing. We'll be back in a minute to give you guys an update when the kitty cat should be coming out. I'm over here talking to Adam because I want his brother to do my clutch today. He says he don't think he can. I'm gonna see if I can convince him. Let's see if this works. I will kiss his feet if he does my clutch today. You guys, you do anything when you want your car, man. I want my car. I want to go to the track tomorrow. We'll see, man. I'm praying that they can get it done. They've already got the rear end pretty much mobilized. Hopefully we can get this done and get it going, man. It's looking good. We'll see what happens, guys. We'll keep this posted. All right, guys, so we're getting to the finale of the big bill. Cobra got Adam inspecting everything. Hey, man, say, man, it's your boy, man, real to real, man. That's real saying. You can't be jocking him. But this is what it's looking like. We got the new rear end in there right now. We have a different diff brake that's coming in. I should have it in a few days, but I'm still going with the one I had temporarily. With the new axle? Got the axle that I got there, my racing axle. I'm still waiting for that one to come in, but it should be shortly. But I can't wait. We got the sticky Mickeys on there, man. We got everything here situated. In fact, let me show y'all something that needs to be modified. When you do these Mickey Thompsons on these cars, you have to modify that metal right there because otherwise it hits. You can't really tell from here. It's not hitting no more. But yeah, we got that cleared up so she could be good to go. You can't tell where's that, man. But we should have the car down shortly. And from here, it's going right to the transmission shop to put on a new racing clutch that we have for the car to get it ready for the weekend. So if you're going to be out there this weekend, XRP will be done Sunday after 5:30. That's in Ferris, Texas. We're going to be doing some hits out there with the Audiocat. See what's the best sound we could drop down and keep on making it and improving it to be better. And just enjoy the hell out of my car, y'all. So stay tuned.